Hi, my name is Bijan from Rug Expo of San Diego. Today I want to talk about the difference between our hand wash drop-off professional rug cleaning in our warehouse versus in-home carpet cleaning that is very common. Of course, in-home carpet cleaning is good for your wall-to-wall carpeting because you cannot take up the wall-to-wall carpeting and wash the back and soak it in the water. However, for area rugs, the healthiest way is deep cleaning when you soak it in the water. Another problem with the in-home carpet cleaning is most of the carpet cleaners, they treat all the rugs the same way when they want to wash it, whereas every rug needs a different treatment. For example, in our business, we test every single rug before we wash it. I have 5 rugs here, for example, to show you. First rug is a printed rug, which is a chromic dye for $85. Second one is a machine-made synthetic polypropylene jute base, $250. Third one is a wool and viscose, which is very popular these days, and it's very hard to wash viscose with the surface washing because a lot of stain doesn't come up. Also, the pet stain or pet odors can never come out with the surface washing. The only way to do it is put it in an enzyme wash bath and get the odor out. The third rug is an antique rug, genuine Persian Isfahan. This rug is about $15,000 value, and it's all vegetable dye. So it needs a really different treatment than any other rugs that you see here. Another rug, the last one, is a famous genuine Persian comb. Silk, all silk, silk pile, silk foundation, and very dense. It's got like a 500 knots per square inch. The value is about $25,000. So please watch our video that is 40 seconds. We do all the rugs, we do dusting. Second, we do soak it in the water, and then we shampoo it with a organic shampoo. And after that, we have the equipment that is extracting the water, and we get 95% of the water right away. And then we dry it in the drying room to restore all the colors. So you can call us at 858-689-9007. And time to time, we do have the valuable coupon for 50%. So you can save a lot of money, and also you can make sure that your beautiful treasure are in the safe hand. Thank you.